Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to fix Kia Optima side mirrors. This repair is a common and manageable do-it-yourself project that can save you time and money. Before we begin, make sure you have a few essential tools ready. You'll need a plastic prying tool, a 10mm socket wrench, and a screwdriver. Of course, a new replacement side mirror assembly for your Kia Optima is also crucial. Having these items on hand will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get started on removing the old mirror. First, open your car door and locate the small triangular cover on the inside, near where the mirror attaches. Use your plastic prying tool to carefully pop this cover off, revealing the mirror's mounting points. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. Then, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the 3 bolts holding the mirror in place. Once these are out, you can gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your brand new replacement. Carefully position the new side mirror assembly, aligning its mounting studs with the 3 holes on your car door. Once aligned, thread in and tighten the 3 10mm bolts using your socket wrench. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten them. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. This step is vital for your mirror's power functions. Before finishing up, let's test your new mirror. Turn on your car and check that the power adjustments work smoothly in all directions. If your mirror has a turn signal, verify that it illuminates correctly. Once you've confirmed everything is functioning as it should, carefully snap the interior triangular cover back into its original position. Ensure all tabs are engaged for a secure fit. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Kia Optima side mirror. Drive safely with your restored visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.